Today I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols, special characters, and horizontal lines into your emails in Outlook. This is a useful skill when you need to add visual elements or special characters that aren't available on your keyboard, making your emails more professional and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account to load in all your emails. This step is essential as it gives you access to all the email composition tools you'll need for this tutorial. Take a moment to ensure everything loads properly before moving on to the next step. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, you'll need to access your email composition tools. To do this, look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a blank email composition window where you can start crafting your message and adding those special elements we're talking about today. Now that you're in the email composition screen, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the window. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you'll need to add various elements to your email, including the symbols and lines we're focusing on today. The Insert tab is your gateway to making your emails more dynamic and visually interesting. Let's start with inserting horizontal lines. From the Insert tab, look for the Shapes drop-down button and click on it. A menu will appear showing you various shape options. From here, simply select the line shape. Once selected, you can click and drag horizontally across your email to create a line of your desired length. This is perfect for separating sections of your email or adding visual breaks between different topics. Now let's move on to adding symbols and special characters. Still within the Insert tab, locate the Symbol drop-down button and click on it. From the menu that appears, choose More Symbols. This will open up a dedicated symbols window with a vast selection of characters to choose from. At the top of this window, you'll see a Font drop-down menu. Click on it to explore different font options, as each font offers its own unique set of symbols and characters. In the Symbols window, scroll down to browse through the extensive collection of available symbols. You'll find everything from mathematical symbols to currency signs, arrows, and decorative characters. Take your time to find the exact symbol you need for your email. Once you've found the symbol you want to use, simply click on the Insert button located at the bottom of the window. The symbol will immediately appear in your email at your cursor's position. The great thing about this window is that it stays open, allowing you to insert multiple symbols without having to reopen it each time. You can continue selecting and inserting as many symbols as you need for your message. Once you're satisfied with all the symbols you've added, you can close the symbol window by clicking the Close button. Your inserted symbols and horizontal lines will remain in your email, ready to be sent to your recipients. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert symbols, special characters, and horizontal lines into your Outlook emails, giving you more creative control over your email formatting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.